And this is the book of 2nd Esdras, chapter 9, verse 2, and it reads to the Holy Scriptures. And thou shalt be visited of the Lord of hosts. Salakia. 2nd Esdras, chapter 9, verse 2 of the Apocryphal books of the Holy Scriptures, and it reads, Then thou shalt understand it is a very same time when the eyes will begin to visit the world which he made. Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'ashem, Wakar. Shalom to the elders for preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. I'll say shalom to the Akim out there. And this is a sit-down lesson that I'm going to bring out. And the title of the lesson is the 2nd Esdras, chapter 9, verse 2. Right, so the Heavenly Father, his true name is Yahweh of Israel. And, he's definitely going to continue to visit this earth with these weather-like conditions. With the recent floodings over there in New York City, the recent tornadoes, the recent earthquakes, the recent hurricane season. Because normally we usually see the hurricane seasons in mid-October, mid-September. So these are prime example increasing signs of the Heavenly Father, the true creator of everything living in existence, is going to continue to visit this earth with these weather-like conditions. The tornadoes, the earthquakes, the landslides, the floodings, these droughts, and many other different aspects of categories what's going on in the world today in the weather category patterns, So we're definitely going to continue to see these increasing in the latter days, So we're definitely going to continue to see the earthquakes, the high magnitudes of these earthquakes in diverse places. You had a recent earthquake in the Atlantic Ocean was a magnitude of a 6.4 earthquake, and I just did a sit-down lesson on that a couple of minutes ago. The recent earthquakes over there in Taiwan, 5.6 magnitude. Recent earthquakes over there in Chile and Argentina border, I believe that was a 5.7 magnitude in the earthquake. You got New York. The New York County is in a current state of emergency due to 1,000-year floodings. That shows you prime example signs that the Heavenly Father is definitely continuously, increasingly visiting this earth now, so more than ever. So it has nothing to do with global warming. It has nothing to do with climate change or the changing of climate. It has something to do with the Heavenly Father is visiting this earth with these weather-like category patterns. And he's definitely increasingly, especially this year in the 2023, in this current modern day year in 2023, he's visiting this earth now so more than ever, and he's going to continue to do so, So with that, hopefully this quick sit-down edifying of this lesson was edifying. The title of the lesson is, as again, 2nd Esdras, chapter 9, verse 2. So with that, hopefully this lesson was edifying, like I mentioned again. And first and foremost, I would like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'ashem Wakar. Shalom to the elders for preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. And until next time, I will say shalom.